Welcome back to this quick tutorial about how to clear group chat on WeChat. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Salva, Pinduoduo, or Ibufish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about how best to use WeChat. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to clear group chat on WeChat. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply click on your WeChat. Just open up your WeChat account. Then after you open up your WeChat account, next thing you need to do is to simply select the group. The next thing you need to do is so you can see this group chat right here. Now, for you to clear off the group chat, what you need to do, simply click on these three dots at the top. Then you have to scroll down and look for clear chat history. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on clear. Then by the time I go back to the group, you can see all the group chat has been successfully cleared. So this is how to clear group chat on WeChat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial on how best you can use WeChat. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you